Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kerala-style pork vindaloo. First, let's prepare the pork. Take 1 kilogram of pork, cut into 2-inch pieces. Marinate it with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and a 1/4 cup of vinegar. Mix everything thoroughly and let it sit for at least 2 hours or, ideally overnight, in the refrigerator. This step is crucial for tenderizing the meat and infusing it with rich flavors. Next, we'll create the heart of our vindaloo, the spice paste. Dry roast 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and 6 to 8 dried red chilies until fragrant. Let them cool, then grind them into a fine powder. Now, add 10 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds to the grinder with a 1/4 cup of vinegar. Blend until you have a smooth, vibrant paste. Now, let's bring it all together. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a heavy-bottomed pan. Sauté 2 large sliced onions and a sprig of curry leaves until they turn golden brown. Add the freshly ground vindaloo paste and cook for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly until the raw aroma disappears. Then, add the marinated pork, mix well, and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until the pork is fork tender. Finally, let's perfect our Kerala-style pork vindaloo. Once the pork is tender and the gravy has thickened, check for seasoning. You might want to add a small piece of jaggery, about 1 tablespoon, to balance the flavors. Stir it in until it dissolves completely. Garnish with a few fresh curry leaves and a final drizzle of 1 teaspoon of coconut oil for an authentic aroma. Serve this rich and spicy vindaloo hot with steamed rice, appam, or even crusty bread. Enjoy your delicious homemade meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.